Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, happy iPad Day. I know we're going through a crisis right now, but we have these new Apple products here. We got the new MacBook Air, we got the new iPad Pro, we got the Magic Keyboard coming out late in May, and it just came in the mail today. And look at this. You just have a nice little simplistic pull tab here. So all we gotta do is just pull it. I don't even need my unboxing knife. There you have it. Oh, it slides out. Ooh, fancy. So yes, this is the new iPad Pro. And honestly, it's the iPad that you all know and love. The 2018 iPad Pro that I just unboxed like last month. But I picked up the 12.9 inch silver. I picked up the 128 gigabyte. That's one thing new. It doesn't start at 64 gigabytes. You now have 128 gigabytes. This is the Wi-Fi only. And yeah, I'm excited for this one just because of the screen size. Coming from the 11-inch iPad Pro, I just want to see how it's like having a 12.9-inch iPad Pro. It would be nice if Apple brings down the price because of the whole fiasco going on, but hey, at least they increased the storage. Okay. This is the next gen iPad Pro. All the leaks and rumors, it comes down to this right here. Look at that camera module, okay. And actually the 12.9 inch is not as heavy. You know, I thought it would be a lot more heavier. This is my 11-inch 2018 iPad. And yeah, it's heavier, but it's not heavy, if you know what I mean. Alright, let's put this on the side. Of course, you got your booklet designed by Apple in California, but it was technically assembled in China, right? They don't put that no more. All right, you got your power brick, and you got your Type-C cable, and that's it. This is exactly my wallpaper. Yeah, so this is the silver one. Let's take it out the plastic. You know, moment of silence. Let me flip the microphones around so you guys can hear the rapping. All right, you guys want to hear some bars? You guys want to hear some raps? Let's go. Let's hear some bars. But the silver looks clean. Oh my god. Space gray just looks sleeker, but just the cleanness of silver really gets me. You got your power button on the top, so this is your power button. You got your dual microphones there. You got your quad speakers, so 2 speakers on the top, 2 speakers on the bottom. And as you guys can see, it's super duper thin, very, very thin. And let's power this on. We're going to press and hold the side button, or the power button. And it should come right on. Yep. And then of course you got your bottom up and down buttons on the side. Let's see what this thing is made of. So of course, this is the 12.9 inch model. This has the Liquid Retina 120 Hertz display, ProMotion. This has 128 gigabytes of storage, and this also has the A12Z Bionic chip. I am going to put that to the test. I am going to do a speed test, and yeah. So holding the 12.9 inch, definitely you getting a lot more screen real estate compared to the 11-inch model. I'm actually going to start this as a brand new iPad. If you guys know me, I always like starting fresh. Anytime I get a new device, I always like to start from the top. You get what I'm saying? So everything that's old here, you know, it just doesn't make sense to carry over the old stuff there. Alright, so we got the beautiful iPad. First thing I'm doing, the camera app. That's one thing new about the iPads this year. You got the Lidar sensor, and then you have an ultra wide angle camera, which is not really a big upgrade if you ask me, because if you're gonna just use this for shooting documents, the 2018 iPad is gonna work perfectly fine. Even with the front-facing cameras, the same exact front-facing camera as the 2018 one. If they would add at least a night mode, that would have been really cool, but you don't have no night mode access here on this iPad here. So, but yeah, I am going to work on a video comparing the 2018 versus the 12.9 inch iPad. This video is just really just getting out the box, giving my first impressions, and like I said, the biggest upgrade for me is literally just the screen size. I'm going to be using this, of course, as my daily driver, my daily iPad, and of course I'm going to give you guys my review, but for the most part, I love it. You know, the silver really did blow me away. It's just so clean. The silver, you get what I'm saying? I don't know how I feel about the camera module. The camera module is a little funky in my opinion. I definitely do like the 2018 camera module better. Look at that. Look at that minimalism. Just that single camera. That's all you need, and it's a pretty kick-ass camera. So yeah, I mean, I'm not sure how I feel about this. This kind of looked like a mock-up. If you guys follow the tech community heavy, this is the mock-up iPhone. This was what the iPhone 11 Pro Max was gonna look like. It looks kind of just like that. You get what I'm saying? So I'm not really a fan of the camera module, but just like all things with Apple, it's gonna grow on you. Now with the Apple Pencil, is this gonna support the second generation Apple Pencil? So all you guys gotta do, you just put it right there on the side of the iPad, and you're good to go. And look, you have that nice little animation there, and it's gonna tell you welcome to Apple Pencil, and now you can use the Apple Pencil just fine. Very, very convenient spot. One of my favorite things about the new iPads. But yeah, that's where I'm going to wrap up today's video. Make sure you guys subscribe if you're new around here with notifications on, because I am going to be making a crap ton of iPad Pro videos 2020. I might even do a YouTube collaboration with Nicholas, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that one. Comment down below. Your feedback is always appreciated. And yeah, other than that, it's your boy Pops, and I'm out. Wait, one thing before I go. I want to test out the Measure app, because now one thing new about the Measure app now, you can just use it now, because it's automatically going to detect the platform, so you don't have to move your iPad around, you know, so it can scan it, or that it's using the Lidar to really understand what, you know, section the iPad is on. So if you use the Measure app a lot, this iPad could be worth the upgrade. I mean, if you're coming from the second generation iPad Pro or the first gen, this could be your time to upgrade. If you're coming from the 2018 iPad, you know, look, it even detect the iPhone right there. You get what I'm saying? Like, this is just insane. That LiDAR is pretty cool. If you're going to do a lot of AR, this is your iPad. If you don't care about AR, this is not going to really be a significant upgrade for you. But it's still going to be a good iPad nonetheless. This is running iPadOS 13.4, so you can hook this up to, you know, your keyboard, your trackpad, and you actually have mouse support. I have a video coming on that soon. And alright guys, so here's the first generation 12.9-inch iPad, and as you guys can see, the new iPad is smaller, but it's the same display size, and also you can see the display is a lot more brighter. We got 600 nits here. Forgot how many nits you get here, but you got thinner bezels, so it's going to be easier to carry, easier to hold, but you have that same display form factor. So yeah, this is just huge, but this is still huge, but it's manageable. You get what I'm saying? But yeah, absolutely love the new iPads here. We're approaching that Always Home anniversary, but look at the size of the bezels. You get what I'm saying? It's like I'm touching the screen almost, but I'm not really touching the screen. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, I'll do a side-by-side comparison. I'll make a full-blown video talking about that, you know, fancy edits and all of that stuff. So yeah, but this is just the unboxing. So let me conclude today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing of the 2020 iPad Pro 12.9-inch. Review coming soon, speed test coming soon, all that stuff is coming soon. So make sure you guys subscribe if you're new around here with notifications on. Comment down below what you guys think. Your feedback is always appreciated. Let me showcase the back. Oh, I should have cleaned it. Oh, should have cleaned it a little bit. But yeah, I miss having the gold iPad Pro. But hey, nonetheless, until next time, guys, have a simple day.